In Austria, I found a shoe that every blind person should wear. Around the world, there are about 43 million people who are blind, and those blind people use canes for support while walking. Guys, a cane is not really good for walking, but there's a shoe that can detect obstacles that are as far as 4 meters away. Guys, the shoe uses ultrasonic sensors and it is also very comfortable to wear. Guys, a lot of people are blind, but I believe that this kind of technology is a one step forward for those who are blind. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.